Hey guys, App1055 here, and today I'm going to show you the project that I've been doing for school. I'm gonna do this for school. Let's take a look at the parts of the cell. This is the cell project. Let me show you the parts. So, this here is the nucleus. The nucleus is where the DNA is kept, and RNA is transcribed. RNA out of the nucleus through the nuclear pores. Protein needs inside the nucleus are transported in through the nuclear pores. The nucleus is usually visible as a dark spot in the nucleus, and it is the location of ribosome formation. Alright, so next part. So the next part we're gonna do is the endoplasmic. The endoplasmic reticulum is the transport system of the molecule needed for certain changes and specific destinations. Instead of molecule that floaty freely in the cytoplasm, there are types of ER, rough and smooth. Rough ER has ribosome attached to it. As mentioned before, smooth ER does not. Yeah. The next one we're going to be looking at is the cell membrane. The cell membrane functions semi-permeable barrier, allowing a very few molecule across it while fencing the major of organical produce chemicals inside the cell. Electron microscope examinations of cell membranes have led to develop of lipid bilayer, also referred to as the fluid Mossack model. The most molecule in the model is the phospholipid, which has a polar hydrophilic head and two non-polar hydrophobic tails. These phospholipids are aligned tails, so known popular areas from the hydrophilic region between the hydrophilic head and the inner and outer surface of the membrane. Alright, so let's move on to the next part. I need to pause the video. Alright, so the next part is the vacuoles. Purple round stuff right there. Alright, so the vacuoles are a single membrane organelles that are essentially part of the outside that is located within the cell. The single membrane is known in plant cells as a tonoplast. Many organisms with used vacuoles as areas vesicle are much smaller than vacuoles and functions in transport within and to the out of the cell. So that's it for the vacuoles. Time to move on to the next one. So the last one is mitochondria. Mitochondria are parts of tissue cells that consist of an outer and an inner membrane. Mitochondria are the main energy source of the cell. In fact, they are often called the power plant of the body because this is where energy ATP is created. Uncoupled thermogenesis also occurred in the mitochondria. Any of the very tiny rod-like of string-like structures that occur in plants and animals and that process food and for energy. Let's see. The cell wall. We also forgot about the cell wall. Okay. The cell wall, the rigid outer covering of a typical plant of cellulose and lying outside the cell membrane. Animal cells do not have cell walls. No, my God. It is the cell wall that gives plant stems and wood their stiffness. Alright, so I guess that's of this cell. This is how it looks like. Yeah. I think that's all. So, alright, so I guess that's it. If you enjoyed the videos, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want. And I guess that's it. So, bye. And teacher, please give me an A+ on this, please.